in quadratic equation you don't know. Okay, let's solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. First thing, you observe that the leading coefficient is 3. Okay, so all you have to do is to multiply the leading coefficient at first to the last term. Remember, 3 will times the last term, which is minus, and the answer is minus. Since we have minus 15, you are going to think of two factors that multiplies themselves to get the minus 15. But if you add them together, you are going to get plus 14. You see that when you multiply 15 to minus 1, you are going to get minus 15. And if you add these two together, you get 14. So that becomes the factor. So you can now say 3x squared minus 15x, sorry, plus 15x minus x minus 5 is equals to 0. We use this factor to expand the middle term. So after this, we are now going to group. You group the first two and group the last two. Okay? Okay? So if you group it, you now factorize. What's common between 3x squared and 15x? The thing that is common there is 3x. So if you factor out 3x, you are left with 3x divide 3x squared. You are left with x plus 3x divide 15. You are going to be getting 5. Then here you can factor minus 1 because that's virtually what's common here. Minus 1, you are left with x plus 5. And that's equals to 0. You notice that this bracket is common, x plus 5. So that becomes the first bracket we use, x plus 5, okay, into the two terms that multiplies, 3x minus 1, and that's equals to 0. In quadratics, when two things multiplies to get 0, one of them is 0 or both are zeros. Please, since you are watching, like and share this video, okay? So you can see that x plus 5 is equals to 0, meaning that x is equals to, you have to subtract this 5 from both sides, and that's minus 5. That's the first solution. Then for the second solution, you see that 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. 1 will first cross the equality sign. It gives you that 3x is equals to 1. Then to get just x, you have to divide the left and the right hand side by 3. Okay? If you divide by 3, 3 will be out. You see that x is equals to 1/3. So these two solutions are the two possible solutions